This is a video of how to remove a outer tail light on a 2016 GLA250. And this is the outer one, not the tailgate one. So once you pop off this carpet, and there's going to be this screw over here. So you twist it counterclockwise, basically to unscrew it. That's the plug, or that's the screw. Just pull it off, just get a good angle, get some grip on it. Okay, you have to press on both sides. That's it. We're gonna basically pry it up a little bit. It's kind of hard to get it off. What do you want? A little pick to pry it up, but since you can't really press on, there's not enough room to press to lift those tabs. Okay. So that's the plug, and that's the tail light. So it's held by that one screw from the inside.